Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense forest, a unique trio of friends shared their lives. A playful puppy, a curious kitten, and a baby bear full of spirit. They were inseparable, sharing laughter, games, and the comforting warmth of the sun as they napped together. One day, their playful antics led them to a startling discovery. A panther, mighty and fierce, lay injured and unable to move. The sight tugged at their hearts, and they knew they couldn't leave him. United in their decision, they became the panther's caretakers, providing him with food, water, and companionship. As the days turned into weeks, the panther's strength slowly returned, fueled by the care and kindness of his unexpected friends. Overwhelmed with gratitude, the panther pledged to return their kindness. He became their protector, their mentor, teaching them the ways of the forest, the art of hunting, and how to thrive amidst the wilderness. The seasons ebbed and flowed, and the trio grew under the panther's watchful eye. The puppy, now a dog, led with courage. The kitten, having blossomed into a cat, moved with grace and agility. The baby bear, now fully grown, was a symbol of strength and resilience. They were a testament to the panther's teachings and his kindness that had once saved his life, and so their bond deepened, rooted in trust, respect, and a shared past. They continued to live in harmony with the forest, their playground and home, hunting together, protecting each other, and sharing countless sunsets. This tale of the puppy, kitten, bear, and their panther mentor serves as a gentle reminder of the power of friendship, the strength in unity, and the rewards of kindness. For in the heart of that dense forest, they found not just survival, but a life filled with joy, growth, and fulfillment. And just as our tale began, it ends in the same forest, with the four friends living out their days in peace and contentment. And so, they lived happily ever after, their story echoing through the trees, a testament to a friendship that transcended the ordinary and ventured into the extraordinary.